Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. Had somebody to send me a wonderful pressure washer to test out. It is actually a very good pressure washer. It's inexpensive. It gets the job done. One of the things I like about it is that you can get your own car wash items. And all you have to do is lay the bottle, whatever the car wash item is. You put it down. You put this inside of it just like this. So I've already rinsed off the car. So all I have to do is take this wand and put it on mix, and automatically it'll start giving me the soap coming right from this bottle. And you can see, nice and soapy. It has a good power to it. I didn't even have to clean my rims. Just blew off all the brake dust and all the other red crap they got going on your rims. And this is my own vehicle, so I'm not gonna sit there and do anything with somebody else's vehicle if I'm not doing it on my own. And as you can see, nice and soapy, just enough. It doesn't look like a lot of soap, but watch what happens. All right, so we got the right side of the vehicle. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come to the nozzle. It tells you what to do. That's for the car. Boom, and now you'll see it nice and foamy. As you can see, she's foaming right on up. Nice and clean. This is a power washer. Very simple, nothing complex about it. Just enough power for what I need to wash cars. I'm also going to power wash the house, or a few houses. Get my money back, and some. As you can see, doing its job. I'm just giving you guys just a demonstration. Nothing complicated. Wash your car extremely easy. Soap it up for you, rinse it off for you. All you gotta do is take your chamois, your other good stuff, and get her all nice and sexy. I also do mobile mechanics, of course. I also do pre-purchase used car inspections, which I'm the only one in the 757 that actually does that. I also sell the documents. If you are a mobile mechanic 757 in the 757 area, I sell the documents to do pre-inspections. I also do I do air conditioning on cars. I used to do heating and air conditioning, HVAC. I don't know why I was thinking about that. Anyway, there's air conditioning, pre-purchase used car inspections. There's my website. I got a YouTube channel. I also got a TikTok channel. If in any shape or way you want to be a mobile mechanic, I have the documents. You can go to this website right here. .com. Boom. You can get the documents from pre-purchase used car inspections. It's 9 separate documents. If you want to make sure you work and get paid, I got all the documents for that to protect you. Mechanic liens, because the police will tell you to hand the keys back, but if there's a mechanic lien already in the document that I already have, boom, you ain't got to hand back nothing. You just be careful. Make sure your state laws, make sure you edit it for your state law. But it has a mechanic lien that the customer will sign. You're not getting your keys back until you pay me, blah, blah, blah. It has all the rules, everything else. With that being said, if you like this video, also, if are you a mobile mechanic who wants to be a mechanic, I do one-on-one consultations. If you want to start your own business, or if you are going to already have your business started, I got you. Also, I have a mobile mechanic store. If you want to go buy tools, you just go right to this website right here. If you are watching this on TikTok, you can go to my bio page, click on my link tree, and you can see the different categories. If you appreciate this video, you can go also, if you're on Linktree, go down to my Cash App, send me Cash App. I take that money for those who can't afford all the repairs. I help those who cannot help themselves. And I also get better equipment to give you guys better quality videos and more information. I've been doing this for over 30